Hey everyone, it's Nicole with the Natural Health Center. I notice a lot of patients have pain on one side, like one leg, one knee, one foot, one side of the lower back, that it's due to how we're sitting in our cars because we sit in our cars so much. I think we're not really paying attention to how we're sitting. I know I do sometimes, so I'm sure other people are as well. And I just want to go over some points that have helped me with some hamstring issues that I had on one side of my leg that got better once I did these two things. So when I'm driving, what tends to happen is this hip, my right hip tends to go forward and my left hip tends to go back, and my right foot tends to kind of float in the air and my left foot is grounded. And this can create a lot of imbalances through the pelvis, and then anywhere along this leg can have some problems. So what I try to pay attention to is I ground both heels into the floor mat in front of me. And I'm not, necessarily putting energy into the toes, but definitely into both heels. And when I do that, then I feel more rooted into both sides of my hips. So I'm paying attention that both sides of my hip bones are equally balanced. They're both pushing down equal amounts, and both heels are pushing down. So what we want to avoid doing is kind of shifting off to the side. One foot is doing one thing and the other foot is doing something else. We want to kind of equalize what our legs are doing. So putting energy into both heels, and that way you can still move this foot around, but when it's not moving, when it's staying stationary, when you're pushing on the gas or pushing on the brake, then you're not going to have as much of an imbalance. And then same thing with the hips. So both hips, I almost like energetically want to feel like I'm rotating the pelvis forward, and then both sides of my hip bones are staying even. So give that a try and let me know how that works for you.